A title deed will not spare you from eviction if you sit on forest land. This is according to the National Lands Commission, which has now reported that unsuspecting members of the public are tricked to buy land and issued with illegal titles. The Commission has also put on notice squatters living in forest land of an impending eviction.
Department use these lands to build forests, and when these institutions are ready to use their forests, they just go back and take back their forests, because you see KFS is government, the other land is government land. So we have a lot of land which can be used for forest purposes, and the Commission can be able to navigate and be able to arrange for these things to happen. But of course you know that as a Commission we've revoked a lot of title deeds in forests. We've recovered Karura Forest. Look, Karura Forest ilikuwa imeenda, watu walikuwa na title deeds. We revoked those titles. We have looked at some titles also in Kibwezi, but we are still looking at many others.
The institutions that are vested on that land on them should also bring the information to us. So that's when you can play the timeline. Once you've been given, then we put a public notice. These titles have been issued, and then from there now we can work. How long does it take for? Because they must be given a chance to come and present themselves. We cannot just do a cancellation or recommend for revocation without giving you the chance to come and say, how do you get it? So that even if you go to court, then you follow the due process.